Hi, today for XIAOMI 13 and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Then scroll down and click to silent mode, which will to activate silent mode or to turn it off. We can see when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications they will be muted. So also we can activate silent mode just by mute the ringtone volume panel and to turn it off by unmute this volume panel. So one more way how we can do that, just first open the control panel and find here modes icon. Just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, click on this icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.